puto mo ko, ha?
Okay.
Meron? Ba't tumitingin ka sa camera? Tignan mo lang yung puto. Tanggalin mo, ha?
Mommy,
Mm.
I found something.
What's that?
I think this is the rice.
Rice?
Yes.
Sahin? Ba't may rice yung ulo ko?
Because you eat a lot.
No.
Mommy, I get it.
What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
Okay. Maybe it's dandruff.
Huh?
Dandruff.
That's eat the dumbla.
Tanggalan mo na.
Ah, siguro.